Hello everyone, I am Chandeep from Deep Studio. I just want to demonstrate today a stitch which is a popular stitch famous by the name of running stitch. Okay, it is a stitch which is used in Kantha embroidery, which belongs to West Bengal. Right, if you carefully see this stitch now, which I am doing, is basically going up and down on the fabric. If you carefully observe this stitch, the stitch length is bigger as compared to the gap. The gap is less and the stitch length is bigger. Can you see? If suppose the stitch length is 1/4 of an inch, the gap is just 1/8 or less than 1/8 of an inch. Okay, now I am just doing the second line of this stitch, which if you observe is running just parallel to it. So when we have a parallel stitch, it basically indicates wherever the stitch is there on the front line, the stitch is there on the second line also, and wherever the gap is there, the gap is there on the second line also. So this is the speciality of the parallel running stitch, and this is the technique which is used by craftsmen when they are actually doing kantha, a traditional kantha of Bengal. Okay, but besides this running stitch, there are other stitches also which are used by craftsmen of kantha. So second stitch which is commonly used for kantha is basically stem stitch. So I'll just show you, demonstrate how stem stitch is done. Though already you know about it, it is basically the back stitch. So you go ahead and then go back. So you go ahead and then go back, maybe half back or full back, depends on how much thickness you want of the stem stitch. Okay, but see, the thread is pulled down with the thumb. And then go ahead and then come back. Just go ahead and then come back. So this is basically half back stitch. When you pass from the same hole, then it becomes full back. But here I have done half back stitch. Okay, so this is popular by the name of stem stitch, and it is basically used for outline.